On today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up, we got to get that Harley in this here container, which really won't be that bad, but you know, we got to ride through some gravel up to it to get here, so we're gonna put that in there too. But it's gonna be interesting. Why are we doing that? Because if you've been paying attention to me, your boy's got a 68 Impala SS in here. Needs some floor pans, maybe some rockers, all that good stuff. Trunk pan, you know, sports, all that. So we're about to work on that, but first we got to get our Harley in there so it's not sitting in the weather. Duramax still hasn't been released by the insurance company for the old Caballero, so we're just on hold with our fresh looking Riddlers. Let me get this bike in here and see if I can't give y'all something entertaining, or if I can just destroy my motorcycle one. Also update on my you know, worthless PLA tool holders. You can't tell me that's not cool. Look at that. That thing's like 15 pounds. And it's doing great. It's been holding there for like 4 days. Let's clean the container out. Safety. One motorcycle.